Welcome to Academia Barilla. The ingredient of this month is broad bean that we are going to use to prepare a sauce for the garganelli pasta that we prepared last time. For the sauce we are going to use broad beans, ripe tomatoes, rosemary and garlic, and parsley. First thing to do is peel the broad beans, and to do this we need to blanch them in boiling water for nearly 20 seconds. After 30 seconds we put them in ice and water to cool down, and then they are ready to be peeled. Peel the broad beans is really easy, like this. After the broad beans we need to peel the tomato as well. We make a cut at the bottom and then we blanch for 30 seconds in boiling water. After 30 seconds we put them in cold water and then we can peel them. Peel the tomato now is really easy. We chop them in 4. And then we take the seed off. After that, we cut in small cubes. Now we can drop the pasta in boiling water where we add already salt. And then we can start preparing the sauce. The pasta will take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook, so we have enough time to prepare our broad bean sauce. We use extra virgin olive oil. When the oil is hot, we saute the broad beans. Then we can add rosemary and garlic finely minced, a pinch of salt, and the tomato. The pasta is nearly cooked. We just taste the sauce if it needs more salt, but it's okay. And then we can drain the pasta into the sauce. We finish with parsley, freshly ground black pepper, and pecorino Grand Cru cheese. The pasta is ready to be served with a bit of olive oil, black pepper. If you like, you can finish it with some black truffle.